Hello everyone, in this video I explain how to direct out of stock product to similar items in Shopify. So to redirect out of stock, Shopify doesn't automatically redirect out of stock product, but you can set up manual or automated redirected to guide customers to similar product instead. The easiest way is by using a redirect app or a Shopify's built-in URL redirect for manual control. If you want a quick manual method, go to online store, then navigations, click on navigations, then click on view URL. Then from there, redirect in your Shopify admin. And here you can create a redirect from a sold out product URL to a similar product or a collection page. This works well for permanent discontinued item, but it's manual and statics. For store with a frequent changing stock, it's better to use a redirect or automation app like Automated Redirect Out of Stock Police or SEO Manager. This app can monitor your inventory and automatically redirect customers from out of stock product page to similar item collection, or even suggest alternative products. Some apps also let you display related product on the same page instead of a hard redirect. So this way, customer won't hit a dead end when they land on a sold out product. They will be guided to alternative, improving their shopping experience and keeping your sales flowing.